Hello everyone, I'm Shubha from Shubha's Lucky Threads. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போற கலெக்ஷன் அவாசா பிராண்ட்ல இருந்து கொண்டு வந்திருக்க இந்த A9 kurti collection. It's a premium Vatican silk material. Totally 3 different colors லயும் 3 different neck style லயும் கொண்டு வந்திருக்கோம். First one நீங்க பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறது ஒரு light baby pink and lavender mixed dual tone. Collar பாத்தீங்கன்னா Chinese collar மாடல்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. And all over the area top oda front and back floral pattern la print kuduthirukanga. Kurtis oda sleeves pathina 10 inch length la till elbow size varaikum vara madri stitch kuduthirukanga. Sleeves oda border layum indha mari buttons work kuduthu design kuduthirukanga. You can pair with off white color leggings to this kurti, and this is full view. This is second one, different on a dark pink shade. Neckline pathina U shape la chinna or oval cut koduthu buttons vechu design kuduthirukanga. 3/4 sleeves attached. All over the area top oda front and back or tilagam shape different ana or pattern la print kuduthirukanga, and this is full view. Last one, beautiful light cream shade. Neck design pathina U shape la or chinna diamond cut koduthu buttons vechu design kuduthirukanga. 3/4 sleeves attached. Top oda front and back indha mari different ana floral model la prints kuduthirukanga. And this is full view. These A-line kurtis length 46 inch, available only in large and double XL size. Large 42, double XL 46. இதோட price range 499 plus free shipping. For orders, screen ல தெரியற நம்பருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Thank you.